Task 20A requires us to create a spreadsheet to multiply any two numbers together and to display the result. There's a note on page 335 which says the contents of a spreadsheet cell can be a number, a text, which is often called a label, or a formula, which always starts with an equal sign. So here we're going to take a look at the different types of contents we got possible. Here in cell A1, we have got text multiplying two numbers. That is actually the header for our spreadsheet. And then in A2, we've got the text number 1, and in A3, I've put text number 2. Those are just labels so that we can see what is taking place in the spreadsheet model that I've created. All right, in B2, I am going to input the number as given in example page 335, which is number 1. Silly example, let's maybe rather make it 10. Okay, number 2, I'm going to input 4. And what I want to put in here as the product is the contents of cell B2 multiplied by the contents of cell B3. In order to get the formula in, I will use the equal sign, and then I will type in the addresses for the different cells, the names for the cells. I can either type it in or I can use my mouse and I can left click on the cell that I want to use. So in this case, B2, left click on it and it comes up with a formula. And then I need to multiply. The symbol for multiplying in spreadsheet is using the star sign, and multiply it with B3. So click and it enters automatically. Press enter and my product is calculated over there. So I can now use a spreadsheet model to multiply any two numbers of my choice. The second example that they give is 4 555 and multiplying it with 222. And I get an answer that comes up as too large to show in the field. So if I really want to show it, I can widen it up and I can show the full number. Okay. When it comes up like this with an E, it's basically putting it in exponential format. All right. So it is 1.01 times 10 to the power of 8. That is what that shows over there. Okay, that is task 20A. That's complete. We must save it in our work file. Save as task 20A.